Welcome to US Bike Pro, your trusted destination for the latest bike updates and upcoming launches. Today, we bring you a detailed look at the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus, a motorcycle that has defined reliability, fuel efficiency, and everyday practicality for millions of riders. Classic design with fresh updates. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus continues its simple and familiar design that riders love. The clean body panels, straight seat, and lightweight frame remain unchanged, while new graphics, refreshed color options, and improved paint quality give the bike a more modern and premium appearance. Engine performance and efficiency. At the heart of the 2026 Splendor Plus is a refined 97.2 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine designed for smooth and efficient performance. The engine delivers consistent power for daily commuting while maintaining excellent fuel economy. Improved tuning helps reduce vibration and ensures a quieter, more comfortable ride. Features and safety. Hero adds practical features to meet modern needs. The bike includes an integrated braking system, improved suspension setup, and a semi-digital instrument cluster in select variants. These upgrades improve ride stability, safety, and ease of use in city traffic. Comfort and daily usability. The upright riding posture, soft seat cushioning, and lightweight handling make the 2026 Splendor Plus extremely comfortable for all age groups. Whether for office travel or daily errands, this bike remains easy to ride and maintain. Final verdict. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus proves once again why it is India's most trusted commuter motorcycle. With unmatched mileage, strong reliability, and low maintenance cost, it remains the perfect choice for everyday riders. For more updates on upcoming bikes, stay tuned to US Bike Pro.